Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. If you're wondering why my hair looks funny, this smart ass got steel in it. So yeah, what I'm going to be building today is a workbench. Nothing big, nothing technical, you know, nothing too hard to build. It's a simple workbench. It's just going to do the trick. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy the video.
You just walk right out the door. Don't wanna do this anymore. Now I'm lost without you. You drive me crazy out my mind. How'd you do this every time? Now I'm lost without you. Used to be the one I talk to when I'm sad. Can't you see now tainted love is all we have? Our issues run so deep, now when I try to sleep I feel so bad. I should leave and by the time it's done I'll be gone.
So, hope you all enjoyed that video. It was a fun bench to make, really enjoyed it. Really taught me stuff, really taught me about fabrication too, more than I already know. I laid down some alright welds, I'm quite proud of them actually. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. It really helps. Also, I have a second channel, JR's Tool Talk, where I upload as much as I can on tool reviews and all different stuff, so go check it out. The links are in the description. Previous and next videos are in the description. Also, my social media links are down there too. I want to thank Josh for doing a bit of welding on this, learning, and I want to thank him for doing the camera. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.